what's up everyone? And I'm back for the full review of the Repair EX Active Soothing Serum. I did finish the entire bottle. Um, I just wanted to go through. I don't know what I just wanted to go through and do a in-depth review of what I thought about the product and about the product itself. I'm gonna go over the ingredients in the product. So to begin, the product has 3 parts per million of EGF or nepidamin. I have the box right here. It also has 2% niacinamide and 0.04% adenosine. So niacinamide is known for its brightening properties, and as well adenosine. Uh, the EGF is already naturally produced within our bodies, but when we hit the age 29, it starts to seriously decrease in production. So our wounds and stuff, they heal slowly and they don't heal as quickly. Now, when it comes to the product, I really noticed that the product was very lightweight. It's a watery texture. It's clear. It smells nice. I think it smells nice. It doesn't smell too fragrance. It doesn't have any fragrance, I don't believe. This also has allantoin. Oh, it does have fragrance actually. It also has Centella asiatica, if you know what that is. But it's at the very end of the list, so it's not really going to make much of an impact. But other than that, I noticed from the product that it was very lightweight. It was very watery texture. It absorbed very quickly and easily. That's one thing that I really appreciate about the product, was that it wasn't heavy. It really hydrated and absorbed so swiftly. Um, the product, when I was using it, if you check out my other video, you'll see that the product really works. I really support the product and the brand. Some of the other products have a bit of a bad reputation, but I have not tried them yet, so I can't say for sure what I think about them. This product does claim that it helps with uh, skin brightening and anti-wrinkles. I didn't really. I mean, I'm not going to be able to see much of an anti-wrinkle effect, especially because I'm so young. I didn't really notice much of a skin brightening effect either. I don't know where they even thought that 2% of niacinamide or 0.04% of adenosine would brighten my skin in any way. Um, but that aside, I really liked the product because it was very hydrating, and it was it really healed my wounds, especially when if you see in the video, I had terrible active acne. Um, I had terrible active acne all along my mouth region. It was very inflamed. It was angry. It was hot to the touch. It was so hot to the touch. Um, but the product worked within a week. My skin was hydrated. It was much more calm and less irritated. I still had to extract the acne, of course, to clean out the pores. But especially when I extracted things and I applied the serum, the wounds healed very quickly. They really did. And I didn't really notice much of a reinfection happening, because sometimes when you push out a pimple and if you don't use pimple patches, if you don't pimple patch them or clean them or apply something to clean out the pore, it can get reinfected. Um, I didn't really notice that happening when I cleaned out my pores. Another great thing is that the product, another really important thing to touch on was that it was extremely hydrating. It really was. My skin was in a state where it was so hot and sensitive, but it was because it was so dry that it was not healing properly. And this product really helped to increase the levels within my skin so it could heal properly. Um, Other than that, uh, the only few things that I have to say, the price point, it is $78, I believe, on Silk Glam. I believe that it is only available on Silk Glam. I'm not sure. It is worth it in my opinion if you had acne like me, where it was so severe and sensitive to the touch and just like radiating heat. It really was. I really recommend it if you have the money to splurge and support it. But right now, when I'm filming this, it is around Christmas time, and the product is on sale for $55 from 78. They did have a package that was $65. It included their moisturizer. I think their moisturizer also has 3 parts per million of EGF in it. But other than that, mainly just the price point and the honestly like false advertisement of skin brightening. Because I really expected my skin to brighten up. I really did. But it was not, it didn't really help with that at all. Um, my skin now looks so much better. It really does. But that is the end of the video. If you like this video, if you like the information that I provided, please like this video, please subscribe. I really appreciate it.